next time.
Hi guys, today we are doing another experiment. So what you need for that experiment is can, extra cold water and the stove. And first you want to do
put a little bit of water in the can and can put on the stove and stove turn on. Then just wait.
Wait.
Just wait. Subscribe for special 5 subscribers.
And for more experiments.
Really, nigga?
Yeah.
Wait
Illuminati.
a little bit.
Okay. Is this so magic? Wait.
You need to listen
To the water.
to the water when. Listen. You hear? Just wait a little bit.
And then do this.
See the can.
See?
Wow.
Wow.
So, bye guys.
Like, subscribe, and bye.